This is the Homaxi Dual-Lens Color View Network Camera. Let's see what's inside the box. First is the quick start guide and drill template. Take out the buffering pad. Next is the waterproof caps. Next is the expansion bolts package. The last item in the box is the dual-lens camera. There are 2 points special about our product. With dual lens seamlessly stitching 180 degrees, 32:9 ultra-wide images, the camera can cover larger surveillance areas, keep everything under your control. Homaxi Dual-Lens Camera has better and more accurate stitching controls. This feature allows stable image output at target distances. Based on advanced video content analysis technologies, Homaxi Dual-Lens Camera supports human and vehicle filtering. These features can greatly increase accuracy of smart detection, reduce the amount of false alarms. Homaxi Dual-Lens Camera supports red-blue lights blinking and siren for active deterrence measures. It can achieve instant and effective intimidation to improve the performance of stopping ongoing hostile acts.